Hi, it's the Woolista here. I was going to show you from absolutely step one on how to wash this alpaca fleece, but I just started working and I was like, oh, okay, I guess I'll start from step two. So, step one was only to fill this bucket right here, this container, this tub, with, I used Dawn dish soap and hot water. And put my fleece in there. This is an alpaca fleece that I bought at Worcester in 2017, so 2 years. And it needs to get washed and needs to get processed. So this has gone for its first wash, and it's really very clean. I think they pre-cleaned it before they sold it. Let's see if I can find something here to show you the water. Oh, here we go. Okay, so if I push this down, you see how that water barely turns color? It's not that dirty. So it really only needed one washing. I mean, alpaca, it's a hair fleece. So I'm only going to put this into another rinse and not another full bath. Some things need baths twice, 3 times, just depends on the fleece. So I'm going to be putting this in its rinse. I filled up 2 buckets right here, and that's all it is warm water, hot water. I'm going to take it out with, I had this, but look, I broke the handle on it, so I'm going to have to see if my husband can weld it back on there or something, or buy a few more of these. I also have these buckets. They have holes all the way through them. These are perfect for putting your fleece in, straining it out for the next wash or rinse, whichever you're doing. You just pick it up, strains the water out, of course. I do this always on my back porch or in the grass, so it doesn't matter if, it gets wet. I'm trying to find some baskets with, you can also fill this, the laundry basket. I just like the smaller buckets personally. I don't know why. But I will show you what it looks like when I put them all into the buckets next. And they're just going to soak for like 15 minutes. Okay.